In today's video, we're exploring the best 1xBet promo code and breaking down how sign-up bonuses work across India, Pakistan, and Nigeria. If you've seen promo codes like VIPBonus233 and want to understand what they do, how to enter them, and what to watch out for, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is 1xBet and why promo codes exist? 1xBet is a global online entertainment platform offering access to sports prediction markets, casino games, and live events. Promo codes like VIPBonus233 are marketing identifiers. They help new users access specific welcome offers or bonuses during sign-up. But let's be clear, this video isn't promoting betting or gambling. It's simply explaining how these codes function and how users can understand them responsibly. Legal context in different regions. Before you register on any online gaming platform, always check your local laws. In India, regulation varies by state. Some states allow online gaming, others restrict it. In Pakistan, online gambling is generally restricted. In Nigeria, it's legal, but must be done only on platforms licensed by the National Lottery Regulatory Commission. If you're under 18 or live in a region where it's prohibited, you should not register. This guide is for informational and educational purposes only. How promo codes work step by step. Here's how promo codes typically work. Visit the official 1xBet website or download the app. Click Register or Sign Up. Choose your preferred registration method by phone, email, or social media. When you see the promo code field, type VIPBonus233. Complete your details accurately: name, country, currency, INR, PKR, or NGN. Verify that you're over 18 and agree to the terms. This simply applies the promotional ID during registration. It doesn't change your odds or gameplay in any way. Understanding welcome bonuses. When you use a promo code such as VIPBON US233, platforms may grant a welcome offer, often a percentage match on your first deposit. For example, in India, bonuses may be shown in INR. In Pakistan, in PKR, in Nigeria, in NGN. Each region has different limits and rules, but these bonuses come with terms like wagering requirements or expiry periods. Always read those carefully on the official site before accepting any offer. Common mistakes to avoid. Forgetting to enter the promo code during registration. You can't add it later. Creating multiple accounts to reuse a code that's against the rules. Ignoring the wagering or turnover conditions. Be informed, not impulsive. Responsible registration starts with understanding how the system works. It's important to remember that online gaming carries risk. Never treat it as an income source or a guarantee. If you choose to participate, set clear limits and stop if it ever affects your time, finances, or emotions. Organizations like BeGambleAware.org or your local responsible gaming helpline can offer support if needed. Educational awareness is power, and that's the goal of this video. Let's recap what we covered, what 1xBet is and how promo codes like VIPBonus233 work, legal awareness in India, Pakistan, and Nigeria, how to register safely and responsibly, why reading the fine print matters before using any offer. So that's the complete breakdown of how promo codes work for 1xBet across India, Pakistan, and Nigeria. If this helped you understand the registration process and how to use VIPBonus233 responsibly, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find it useful. All links and references are in the description below. They're for educational context, not promotion. Stay informed, stay safe, and always make responsible decisions online.